Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo, no es fácil. Te quiero, baby, hasta que nazca el sol, hasta que nazca el sol. Dime, ¿cuántas veces me volviste demente? Ahora sin ti estoy tan solo.
So, if you didn't know, there is a laundry shop on Sector D. Now, it's been here for quite a few years, but then it was shut down, and now it's been reopened. I think it's been open for a couple of years now. And I thought I'd just go in there and we just ask about what it has to offer. So, here we are at the front. Tells you the times there, but I will ask about that a bit more. It's got some mobility scooters here, which looks like they hire out. We're just coming into the entrance. Got some seating there. And we got some bits about the drink, so you can sit it down and wait, I suppose. So here we are, this is Wendy.
Good morning.
So Wendy's going to tell us all about it.
Here we are at Camposol Laundry.
So Wendy, what do you offer here at the laundry shop?
Well, first I'd like to thank you, Sean, for coming in today to help us promote our business. We've been open since April, and we offer washing, drying, ironing service. Quilts are from only €10 washed and dried, and ironing is €15 an hour. Okay.
So is this aimed at also at the holiday, you know, the
yes.
people that rent out their properties as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we've been so busy doing their properties, but now we've quietened down a bit. It's about time everybody got their quilts washed and dried and fluffed up, ready for the colder season, because it will soon be coming. And also what we offer is we also have mobility scooters to hire, yeah. Daily or for the week. And if you could ring us 24 hours before if you want to hire one, so we can get them charged up and ready for you. Right. That'd be lovely. Also, we're suppliers of the CBD oil, oh, yeah. Which yeah. is doing also very well. Yeah. And also a lovely lady has brought in cards and shiny things, right. to raise some money for MABS. Yeah, yeah. I also make the paper jewellery out of the Camposol magazines. Right. And they're very durable, and I've been wearing them for 20 years and they're still fine. And then I have a little thing going on here with all sorts of interesting things, which if you'd like to make a donation for anything, yeah. towards the Let's Plant Some Trees on Sector D. Oh yeah. Just yeah. round here to make it lovely, to make it nicer for everybody, yeah. and we can make this a little bit of a social hub. Yeah, yeah. So you can come in and you can have a cold drink out of our vending machine. So, because I've also noticed you've got like, you can have a nice hot drink or cold drink. You can. And you can sit down there. So you can. I think you can drop off your stuff. So yes. You sort of like drop your stuff off, sit here, wait for it all. Yes, you can do that, or you can leave it to wishy-washy. Yeah. To do it for you. Wishy-washy. Yes. I can also do you a nice selection of teas, and all I ask for is a donation. Oh, that's right. So what I'm trying to create here is to create a nice area for everybody and a little bit of a social hub for people too, yeah. because I think it's necessary. Yeah, especially over on Sector D, isn't it? On Sector D, yeah. 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 Yes. So, opening times? The opening times are from 9 till 1 o'clock, Monday to Friday, and after that it's self-service from 1 till 8, and it's quite simple to use, but it is card machine only. Right. But it is quite simple, don't be put off by that. And at weekends it's self-service only from 9 till 8. Right, that's good. And how do we contact you? How do you contact? Well, here we are. Please take a few with you and spread the word. Spread the word. Yes, so we've got cards here. I think, and also you've got like a Facebook page, is that right? I believe Janine has a Facebook page. Yeah. Yes. Yes. I did say when I first come in here, yeah. I said you've been open a couple of years, but you haven't, have you? No, only since April. Yeah. It was closed for nearly 8 years. Yeah. Before that. Right. Yeah, and so we're open again, and so
Yeah, so they can contact you by phone mainly, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll put that up underneath the video as well, but you can see the numbers there.
Yeah.
So I just want to thank Wendy, thank you very much for her time.
Thank you very much.
Busy lady.
Thank you.
And I'll catch you guys on another one.
And here we go, look, you see, what have we got here? So we have a pick up and drop off service also, which is €5. Right. Or we can do it for you for a few more euros. Yes, so really you should all get on down because there's a bit of a buzz going on here.
Good.
And I think you're missing out if you don't come and see us. And we all want a clean quilt for winter.
That's it.
There we go.
Thank you, Wendy.
You're welcome.